I spent 3 months inside Decentralized Masters to see if it really gives you access to what Wall Street uses. What I discovered changes everything about how I invest today. Here's my full review. And please remember, folks, to always do your own research before investing in any financial products that we talk about on this channel. All of the links for Decentralized Masters will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. All right, folks, I'm really excited to talk to you today about this one because this is something that I think the financial industry at large really needs to essentially help beginners, intermediates, and advanced to get into this space. Okay, so what essentially in a nutshell do they do here? Okay, what do they do? So essentially they teach the complete ABN wealth system. Okay, so what does that mean essentially? You've got your phase A, which is essentially your all-weather portfolio. It's essentially like a bulletproof foundation, a bit like Ray Dalio's, okay, what he's actually got going on. All right, and then beyond that, you've got your phase B, which is become the bank. You can earn 30 to 400% yields collecting fees, guys. So this is actually no joke. Then you've got phase N, which is native markets. So you can access coins before they do their 100 to 1000x moves. Okay, it does happen, guys, especially in crypto. It really does. And you've got all three phases essentially working together for that ultimate wealth building. Now, in terms of what you actually get inside once you're signed up, folks, you've got full access to the native markets where institutions buy. You've got easy to understand step-by-step education. You've got the implementation guidance on the ABN system. Okay, so that's going to be your all-weather portfolio. Okay, so that basically means that all year round, despite whatever market conditions are around, you're able to actually go ahead and make money. And have a look at this, guys. We've got a 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot. And actually, this is astonishing. That's actually out of 493 reviews. Predominantly 5-star, okay? Really impressive. You can go through, and I actually have been through to read through a lot of these reviews already. Excellent program. The mentors are amazing, okay? Come through and have a look here as well. David Carmeli, review of technical analysis. My mentor solved all my problems with no hesitation. So there are some seriously good reviews on here, okay? So if we go back to the main page, what else, guys? So you got your personal mentor, as we did mention, okay? So they're assigned from 90 plus professional analysts that are working for these guys, which is great. Great to connect human to human, especially for something sensitive like finance and people trying to learn this industry. You've got the step-by-step education. They're going to walk you through it. They're going to hold your hand because let's be honest, even if you're a professional or an intermediate in this space, it's nice to have your hand held, okay, and guided and just create that support network, okay? It's a step-by-step education, guys, all right? You got live market updates and even weekly calls too. Now, in terms of the actual founders, folks, they've got a really good track record here, okay? So Tangera is an ex-Wall Street banker with CFA credentials. So that's absolutely massive. Called Bitcoin bottom at 15K when everyone panicked. Also massive, all right? Has featured in Forbes, NASDAQ, Entrepreneur, and built a team of 90-plus analysts from TradFi, being traditional finance, guys. And if we scroll down here, guys, just have a bit of a look. This is real results, as I've just shown you guys. This is Member Success Hub. All right, so you can see the video testimonials, you can see the member interviews, the Trustpilot reviews. So I like the transparency here, okay? It's all about the results, okay? It's all here, all right? 500 plus verified reviews with 4.9 out of 5-star on Trustpilot, which, yes, we did just show you before, okay? But I love how they're just bringing the face here and they're actually telling us about their exact results here, okay? A lot of success stories here from complete beginners to pros, as I did mention before. This is for everyone, but fantastic for beginners. So how about we just go ahead and actually listen to one of the testimonials right here. Let's just hit play.
Hi, my name is Jeff, and I'm a member of Decentralized Masters, and I joined last January, exactly a year ago, and it has been an incredible experience. I can't tell you enough how much I appreciate the guidance to navigate the crypto world and the blockchain space and how to do it safely. I think safety is one of the first things that they emphasize, which is very important in that world, but also guidance on how to do technical analysis. They teach you that at a very high level. They also teach you how to research the fundamentals on different tokens and projects to see where there's potential value now and down the road. to make better decisions in terms of which investments to make. Also, I would say, yes, safety, teaching all the analysis, guidance on just moving around, being able to navigate, getting from one blockchain to another. It can be very complex, and they're excellent at that. Mindset, I think, is probably one of the more important things that I've learned, and that is how to relax through the bear cycles. Even within a bull market, there are bear cycles where it goes down 40, 50% in a couple days, in a week. It's crazy. And to be able to relax into that and understand that it's within a bigger cycle, and to make good decisions and even take advantage of those moments has been something that they've taught me, and it's been really fantastic. So do I recommend Decentralized Masters? Absolutely. Is it worth it? Absolutely. I've more than 5x'd my investment with them. So I can't recommend Decentralized Masters enough. It is amazing.
So what do you reckon? To me, it doesn't look AI generated. Looks legit to me, and he's 5x'd his investment. So why does it work in 2025? Well, the Bitcoin ETS folks are bringing institutional money. Trump's pro-crypto policies are opening the floodgates. You've got native markets still unknown to 99.98% of investors, okay? And perfect timing with bull run accelerating. And guys, beyond this, look, if this was something, I wish this was a tool that I had available to me 7 years ago when I started, because I think I'd be way further ahead with just a small initial investment, using these guys, educating myself, investing in myself to be able to take on the crypto space and the general finance space just a lot easier, okay? These guys are no joke, okay? These guys are no joke. It's been great being able to work alongside them, and I've made some pretty good gains in the last 3 months. Let me tell you that. And I'm continuing to look towards making more gains using their help, especially with the upcoming bull market. So guys, what are you waiting for? Seriously, if you're serious about catching the next big move in crypto before the crowd, it's time to join up, guys, okay? Market institutions are using this, plus hands-on mentorship to guide you every step of the way. Don't wait until the bull run leaves you behind, guys. This is sensitive, okay? Check the links below and start building your ABN wealth system today. All right, guys, and yeah, if you want to actually go ahead, make sure you do like this video. If you enjoyed the content, subscribe, hit notification bell so you don't miss out on these new videos, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.